Google has already launched two new and the most awaited devices of this year. The Google Pixel 4a 5G and Google Pixel 5. Both of these devices have a decent set of specifications with some mind-blowing features. But just a few months back, Google also launched Google Pixel 4a, which also has some great features and specifications. Both Google Pixel 4a and Google Pixel 4a 5G may look similar, but there is a lot of difference when it comes to specifications. In this video, let's find out what are the main key difference, and among these two, who is a better choice for you. First, let's talk about the display. The Google Pixel 4a has a 5.81 inches OLED display with a 443 ppi density, and the Google Pixel 4a 5G has a 6.2 inches OLED display with a 413 ppi density. Both the phone has a Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection on the front. Google Pixel 4a is powered by a Snapdragon 730G chipset, whereas the Google Pixel 4a 5G is powered by a Snapdragon 765G chipset, which gives you much better performance than the 730G processor. Google Pixel 4a uses Adreno 618 GPU, whereas Google Pixel 4a 5G uses Adreno 620 GPU. Both the phone comes with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. The Google Pixel 4a has a single 12-megapixel rear camera, whereas the Google Pixel 4a 5G has a dual camera setup with a 12.2-megapixel wide-angle lens and a 16-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Both phones a single punch-hole camera in the front with an 8-megapixel selfie shooter. Coming to the battery, the Google Pixel 4a 3140 mAh battery and the Google Pixel 4a 5G has a bigger 3885 mAh battery. Both the phones support 18-watt fast charging. When it comes to the pricing, the Google Pixel 4a has a price tag of $349 and the Google Pixel 4a 5G has a price tag of $499. If you want any other comparison video, let us know in the comments section below. If you liked our video, give it a thumbs up and you can also subscribe to our channel for more videos like these.